How to find groups, use high priority notifications settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find groups, use high priority notifications settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then just scroll down until you find the use high priority notifications, and here you can manage it. Just click on it if you want to turn it on or off, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.